Hey Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal of reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. So keep in mind these are journal of readings. This might or might not resonate with you and the roles can be reversed anytime. And if it is not resonating with you, it's not your story obviously, okay? So let's start Virgos. Let's see your partner's current energy right now. Let's see your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, Virgos. Three of Wands. I feel like right now your partner is turning their back towards you, or might be they are just in the waiting mode. I feel like your partner is waiting for something to happen very eagerly. They are just waiting very eagerly, 24 into 7. So let's clarify what they are waiting for right now. Let's see. Let's clarify what they are waiting for right now. Virgos. Let's see. World, Page of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. Okay, so right now I feel like this person is feeling like, although you guys broke up in the past, they are feeling like you will, at least they are, energetically they are feeling like they should connect with you, they should text you, and they should start this connection all over again, and they are waiting for the right time very eagerly. So this is what is happening. So Virgos, you are on their mind 24 into 7 and they are right now turning their back towards you because they are feeling like you guys broke up. But energetically they are feeling like they should text you and they should connect with you and they should start this connection all over again. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, let's see. So let's see Virgos, your current energy right now is, let's see, Six of Swords. So Virgos, I feel like right now you're trying to move towards a peaceful, solution in your life, resolution in your life, towards a peaceful life. Sorry, I just finished my dinner. So, yeah. So I feel like you are trying to move towards a peaceful resolution in your life, towards a peaceful cycle in your life, and you're trying your best. Although you're trying your best, I feel like you are still carrying lots of baggages of the past with you. You're not able to leave the past in the past and move forward. This is the situation here. So let's clarify the Six of Swords. Let's clarify. Okay. Six of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles, wow, and the Ten of Swords. Okay, so you're trying your best to move towards a future where you can make lots of money, you can have equal give and take of energy of money, you will be working on your career, you are focusing on your career, on your business, on your money, whatever, job or career you are doing, you're just trying to focus on that and you're feeling like the worst is over. This is the worst that could happen to me and now the worst is over. Now I can move forward a new future. Okay, this is the thing, you're trying your best to move forward a peaceful life, a peaceful solution in your life. Okay, this is your current energy, Virgos. Let's see what your partner feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see. Death could be dealing with a Scorpio. They are feeling like this relationship is over, everything is over between you guys. They are feeling like everything is over now, there's no hope, there is no a chance of reconciliation, there's nothing left in this connection. This is what they are feeling like, this is the final breakup. Let's clarify the death in their feelings for you. Okay, the Knight of Wands, the Strength could be dealing with the Leo, the Moon. Okay, so I feel like this person is, although they are feeling like everything is over between you guys, they are still very passionate about this connection. They are still very much hopeful about this connection. They want to connect with you. They want to connect with you on, that level that they have, they can communicate well with you. This is the thing. So they want to communicate with you. They are holding back right now. They are trying their best to hold back because they are really fearful, really fearful. You are you might be dealing with a Pisces or a Leo here or a Scorpio. So yes, they are really fearful about the future of this connection. So that's why I feel like this person is feeling like everything is over between you guys and there's nothing that they can do about it, there's nothing that can be done now. This is what they are feeling. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Virgo. Let's see what this person wants from you. World. Okay, this high breakup energy here, Virgos. What this person wants from you is a closure. This person wants a closure from you for some of you, and for some of you, it is like this person is feeling like there's some kind of unfinished business, unresolved business between you guys, and this person wants to resolve that business, unfinished business. Okay, resolve that trauma, not trauma actually, resolve that situation. Yeah, the situation is traumatic, but there's something that is yet unfinished between you guys, and they want that unfinished business to finish. Yeah, let's clarify. Two of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, and the Six of Wands. Okay, I feel like what this person wants from you is that they want you to, stop juggling and be very, very, sure about them. This person wants, still this person is wanting stable, solid, committed relationship with you and or marriage with you, and they want to be successful and victorious with you in this connection. They want you to stop juggling and just go towards them and talk to them and start this connection all over again. Not just start, they want a commitment from you. They want a committed relationship and or marriage with you. This is the thing, this is what they want. So they are feeling like, although this is over, but this is not over. Okay, I feel like I hope you're getting it, right. Yeah, let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of July. Let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of July. Nine of Cups. I feel like this person is coming back towards you with lots of love. So Knight of Cups, I got Knight of Cups in Leo's reading as well, but the meaning there was different. This is somebody who is deeply in love with you, and somebody who is connected with you, and they want to offer you this cup of love. Can you see the cup of love? Cup in his hand, the warrior. So they are feeling like they should come towards you and offer you this love again. So I feel like, yes, this person is coming back towards you with lots of love and lots of, you can say, lovey-dovey stuff. Yeah, let's clarify the Knight of Cups. Seven of Swords, Hierophant, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I feel like this person is coming in towards you. Might be they are trying to, come out of a self-deceptive phase where they are realizing that they love you so much, they still love you so much, and might be they were just acting, cold and off and detached previously, but now they are realizing that that was not true. They love you so much, and they want a connection with you, spiritual connection with you, and they are just trusting the universe. They are seeking help of law of attraction techniques and all the techniques that are, going to make you closer to them. You could be dealing with a Taurus, by the way, here. So yeah, this is the thing, they are coming in towards you because now they are, feeling like this self deception is over now, that they don't love you or they don't want you, but now they are feeling like, I am just completely in love with this person, this Virgo, and I need them back in my life. I want a soulful connection with them, and I am just going to, use all the techniques of the world. Not black magic, not any kind of negative magic or something like that. No, positive energies and positive law of attraction techniques only. Okay, so they are coming in towards you with lots of love and lots of care and lots of happiness. Now this is your free will if you want this person back in your life or not. Yeah, so thank you so much, Virgos, for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. See you soon in my new house, hopefully. God bless you. Bye.